On this edition of Gorgeous Garden Plants, the ugliest name for a plant is quite possibly the most beautiful plant of spring. Hi, and welcome to the Garden Fix. I'm Rob, and I'm in Zone 6B, Western Pennsylvania. Today we're taking a look at Lungwort, or Pulmonaria, as they call it. And we're looking right here at one of our lungwort that we have in our garden. This plant is hardy in zones 3 to 8, so it's a great plant for you northern people. It does like to be in full shade. However, being that we are in a colder climate, zone 6B, the spring sun is not as hot, and so we are able to keep it kind of in the open until some other things grow around it and over it and lend some shade to it. So as you can see right now, this plant is a wonderful ground cover. It has been blooming for possibly 8 weeks now, 6 to 8 weeks at least. It started out about this size. We cut it back at the end of every year, and then the new growth will kind of extend out. And it does spread through rhizomes similar to lamb's ear, but not nearly as aggressively. We have cut this and split this and put this in different parts of our garden. And the flowers, they come out in these little stalks, and the flowers are actually bell-shaped, and they usually are pink or blue or white. And you can see this one here has a mix of blues and pinks in it. This particular one is a proven winner's plant. It's called Shrimps on the Barbie. We have another one that's called Trevi Fountain, and that one is through Monrovia, and it's just as beautiful. So one of the main attractions on this plant is the foliage, and the leaves are kind of fuzzy, and they have this amazing freckled look to them, and it's quite a nice variegation, and that lasts all year. So once this starts to spread out, it looks wonderful all year. The flowers don't last all year, but the green leaves add a wonderful touch of flair to your garden. All right, so there you go. So if you want a wonderful ground cover with great variegation that'll last all year and has wonderful flowers in springtime, this is the plant for you. Don't be afraid of the name Lungwort. Go out and get it. Thanks for joining us again today. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Hit the like button and hit the notification bell. And until next time, I'll see you in the garden.